Okay. Good afternoon, everyone. This is me, Hitsi, Queen Hitsi of the 4H, with my baby, Cairo. Say hi to Cairo. We are here now. We are here now at the Lantau 10,000 Roses at Cordoba. Okay, with my aunt is with me. Yeah, kunin mo yung camera. Just like that. Oh, sige. With my aunt. With my Johan. Say hi to my camera, Johan. Hi. And hello to Mommy Rose. To my auntie. So, this is the place that we are having lunch. So, here we go. We need some water to refresh our
Juice!
Oo, wala pa tayong kain. Mamaya na yung juice. Nagutom na tayo, diba?
So this is their food.
Sakay ka man tayo.
Sana. Ay, asa tayo?
Oh, dali. Chill.
Okay.
Si ate. Ate.
Ay, yan. So,
We're gonna take pictures.
we're gonna take pictures. So,
Thank you, baby girl.
it's my say hi to my aunt. Oh, and to my baby Kai.
Cairo.
Cairo. Sino yung na-miss mo? Si Kuya
Clint.
Brent. Okay. So, let's eat our lunch. So, say thank you. Love you.
Kaon na.